Drugs in obstetrics: tetanus toxoid, TD, and Tdap. Injection TT or tetanus toxoid is universally given to all pregnant women for two reasons. One, to protect newborn baby against tetanus, and second, to protect pregnant women against tetanus. Injection tetanus toxoid is available as a single dose in ampule or as a multi-dose vial or bulb. Two doses of injection TT are given during pregnancy. The first dose is 0.5 ml given intramuscularly at about 24 weeks of pregnancy. The second dose is given 4 to 6 weeks after the first dose. The second dose is also called as booster dose as it boosts the production of IgG antibodies. These IgG antibodies cross the placenta and circulate in the fetus, giving passive immunity to the fetus. So when the baby is born, it has ready-made IgG antibodies present in the blood, which protects it from tetanus neonatal. The baby develops its own antibodies only after receiving injection triple or DPT. With universal immunization in pregnancy, we have almost eradicated tetanus neonatal. TD. It was observed that many adults are getting affected by diphtheria. So the government of India adopted the policy of replacing injection TT with injection TD. Note here the D is small as the adult dose of diphtheria toxoid is less than given in infancy. It is available as a single dose ampule or multi-dose vial. Tdap injection. At many places in the world, adult pertussis infection is becoming public health problem. One reason for this is the use of painless vaccine in the first year of life, which gives immunity for shorter duration. Injection Tdap was developed to address this problem. Here, small a and P in Tdap stands for adult acellular pertussis. Injection Tdap is given between 28 to 32 weeks as a single dose, replacing second dose of TT. It is to be given in each pregnancy. All persons who may come in contact with the newborn are also advised to take Tdap injection. This is called the cocoon care. The injection Tdap comes as a pre-filled syringe. In case of subsequent pregnancy, within 3 years of previous pregnancy, only a single shot of vaccine is given around 28 to 32 weeks. Other vaccines like flu vaccine is given depending on local prevalence of the problem. You can have more information on the link given below. Important points to consider: do not freeze the vaccine, store between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, shake well before use as it is a milky suspension, give deep intramuscular injection, and to know more details, see the description given in the video and follow the links. The multi-dose bulb has a vaccine vial monitor or VVM label. It contains a heat sensitive material. It registers cumulative heat exposure over the time. With more exposure to heat, the inner white square in the violet circle gets darkened gradually and permanently. So after some time it will match the outer violet and later it may become green. So when it is darker, discard the vial. For more information about this, see the video. There are other aspects about the vaccine like affinity and avidity. The details are given in the description below the link. To know more about other educational videos, visit the YouTube channel eLearn, like it and subscribe it.